Hello students, this is Latif sir. Today I am going to start a new chapter, that is third chapter of ICSE class 6 chemistry. The topic is matter. In the previous chapter we have already studied about matter. So what is matter? Matter is anything, any object that has definite mass and occupies a volume. The quantity of matter that an object contains is called its mass, and the space it occupies is called its volume. So matter is anything that has a mass, definite mass, and occupies a volume, occupies a space. It's called it's called matter. An object may or may not have definite shape. It may or may not have definite volume. It may not be able to flow from one place to another. On the basis of this property, matter exists in three different forms. So state of matter on the basis of shape, volume, and ability to flow, matter can exist in three different forms, and these are called state of matter. So the three state of matters are solid, liquid, and gases. Solid, liquid, and gas. You know that matter can exist in three different forms: solid, liquid, and gas. So in this figure 3.1, it is you can see here in this figure uh, the three state of matter: solid, liquid, and gases and gas. Okay. So first state of matter is solid. So what is solid state? The state of matter that has a definite mass, definite shape, and a definite volume, and that does not flow from one place to another, is called solid. The state of matter that has a definite mass, definite volume, definite shape, and does not flow from one place to another is called solid. It does not change its shape. Solid does not change its shape by itself, but the shape of solid can be changed by applying external agents such as force, external force, heat. Okay. So uh, solid changes its shape only when an external agent such as heat or force act on it. Solid can have many free surfaces. Solid can have many free surfaces, and solid can be cut into small pieces. Now example of solids: wood, book, stone, chair, table, iron, pen. Okay, all these are example of solids. A solid may be a solid may be very soft. For example, a frozen piece of butter, which is also a solid, but it is which is also a solid, but it is very soft solid. Similarly, solid may be very hard. For example, a piece of diamond. Diamond is the hardest substance, hardest solid. Huh. So solid may be very soft, maybe, or maybe very hard. Okay. In the bracket, one fact given. See here, it is written that two more solid state of matter exist in nature. Huh. Solid, liquid, and gas. Out of this state of matter, there are two more state of matter exist in nature, and these two state of matters are plasma and one is plasma, another is Bose-Einstein condensate. Bose-Einstein condensate. Plasma exists at very high temperature, while Bose-Einstein condensate, that is BEC, exists at very low temperature. Okay, these are two more state of matter. One is plasma, another is Bose-Einstein condensate. Now, second state of matter is liquid state. What is the liquid state? The state of matter that has a definite mass and that has a definite volume but no definite shape. So the state of matter that has a definite volume and definite mass also, okay, but no definite shape, and which can flow from one place to another place in some direction is called liquid. The state of matter that has a definite volume and no definite shape. So liquid state has uh, no definite shape and can flow from one place to another in some direction. It's called liquid state or liquid. So liquid do not have any definite shape. Hmm. And a liquid takes the shape of container in which it is poured. So the shape of liquid means the shape of container in which the liquid is kept. And liquid has only one free surface. Liquid has only one free surface while solids has many free surfaces. Okay. Unlike solid, liquid cannot be cut into pieces, but solid can be cut into small pieces. Okay. So unlike solid, liquid cannot be cut into small pieces. Now example of liquids: juice, milk, water, oil, mercury, all these are example of few liquids. And next state of matter is gaseous state or gas. What is gaseous state or gas? The state of matter that has no definite volume, no definite shape, but it has a definite mass. Okay, you have to remember all state of matter has a definite mass. Okay, but uh, for gases do not have any definite shape or definite volume, and gas can flow in all possible directions. In all possible directions. Okay, so gas, the state of matter that has no definite shape, no definite volume, and which can flow in all possible directions is called gas. A gas, a gas has no free surface, while solid has many free surface and liquid has only one free surface, but a gas has no free surface, and it fills the it fills up all the space available. It fills up all the all the space available. Like liquid, it cannot be cut into small pieces, and it exerts pressure in all direction equally. It exert, that is gas exert pressure in all direction equally. Now example of gas: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, water vapor, all are some example, all of these are some example of gas. Okay, thank you.